I be seeing these other guys on YouTube. I ain't gonna say no names, but one guy used to work for Schneider. You know, it came back up for shit. He came back for shit in the world, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, damn, did they teach you, nigga? The first truck, pass it, second truck, at the end of it, I'm gonna start turning. I done figured out that that's my sweet spot. That's my sweet spot. That's not gonna be everybody's, but that's mine. See, this right here, this gonna be a good one, cause it's so tight. It's so tight. I might not even be able to get in there. It's just that tight. I'm a finagle it. Come on, come here. Come here. She tripping. All right. She's a snowboarder, so I want her to get the back. I want you to get it, being in front of me, getting this angle right here. Oh. Yeah, cause it's already a camera back there. No, well, you don't have to be very, very close. Like back up so you can get the trailer, the whole truck, You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This woman here, man. This woman here. All right. You got the whole thing? All right. All right, let's get it, man. Let's see if I can get it off in there. You gotta watch that trailer, man. You gotta watch how it's angling itself and shit. And then I got a truck right here, so I gotta make sure I watch it. Make sure I don't hit it. You know? Make sure I don't hit it. Gotta go slow and steady, because like I said already, this is a very tight spot. Very tight. Look at that truck. It's right here. So tight, so tight. All right, but we probably gonna make it. We probably gonna get off up in there. All right, I'm gonna cut it hard now. I'm gonna cut it real hard. You get that motherfucker turning. Yeah, get it to turning. Get off in that tight motherfucker. It's tight. Up. Yes, sir. Up. Boom. Yeah. Push that motherfucker. Don't be scared to push it. Don't be scared to push it. Now, I don't have to get out and look. I don't, because I know I'm good. But I'm gonna get out and look just for the sake of the video. You know what I'm saying? Just for the sake of the video. Alright, so this is pretty good right here. We came in at a pretty nice angle. You feel me? So look at that. Look at all this space. Look at all the space I got over here. I'm golden. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta finagle it up in here right now. They gotta finagle it up in here. Come on. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Get out and look. And when you get out and look, every Maverick, they want you to literally walk around the whole truck. But I mean, hey, I see the other side of my truck. You know, it's not too big of a deal. Damn, I'm going forward. All right, let's get it on in there, man. There we go. All right, that's good right there. That's good. All right, now I'm gonna turn my wheel straight. See, wheel straight, and I'm gonna go forward. I'm gonna go forward because my trailer started to go that way. It started to point that way, so I want to get it straight by going forward like this. Well, not straight. It's gonna like try to angle back, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my wheel to the left and try to get up under it more. And that's gonna, now I'm not gonna be in the same place I was just at. It straightened up more, right? It looks like it's trying to, so it's trying to angle back that way a little bit more. So you know what I'm gonna do? Now I'm all the way in. So I'm gonna turn my wheel, I'm gonna get straight. I'm gonna get straight this way. I'm gonna turn my wheel to the right and get straight. Get straight. There we go. You heard me? Get straight. Now look. You feel me? Now look. So now I just gotta, you know, straighten it up in the hole and get off in there. And that's that, man. That's that. That's how you bag in a real tight spot at that. I'm talking about, this is my first time backing in a spot this tight. This is very tight. Very tight. I'm gonna go forward. To get it a little bit more straight. You hear me? I mean, hey, Maverick taught us well. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. It seemed like it's really in my blood. I've been good at it since I just been good at it. And so, but Maverick do teach you very well when it comes to backing and things like that. I be seeing these other guys on YouTube. I ain't gonna say no names, but one guy used to work for Schneider. You know, it came back up for shit. He came back for shit in the world, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, damn, did they teach you, nigga? You know what I'm saying? But hey, teach his own, man. I'm a humble guy. I'm not gonna toot my horn or nothing. But this was very tight, man. And I still got it. Stop playing, man. Still got it. So yeah, man. That's the video right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go up in here and you know, get some food, take a shower and things like that, and yeah.